In this tutorial, you can learn how to program Arduino to control servo motor using potentiometer. For this project we need Arduino board. I have here Arduino Uno, potentiometer, servo motor, cables for connection, cable for Arduino to upload scripts, and breadboard. Let's begin with plate and connect 5 volt to plus on breadboard, ground to minus on breadboard. Next, connect potentiometer left side to plus on breadboard. Right side to ground. And middle one to analog port A0 on Arduino plate. Next, connect signal on servo motor to pin 9 on Arduino plate. Five volt. Next, 5 volt red one to plus on breadboard. And ground to minus on breadboard. In the end, you should get scheme which look something like this. Now to code for Arduino board. And first thing which we need to do is add library for servo motor. Include servo.h. This will allow us to use servo motor specific functions. Next, we need to declare variables. First one is for servo motor itself. Let's name it servo1. Next is for pins. One for servo motor and it 9. And second one is for potentiometer, which is A0. Now in setup function we need to actually attach our servo motor variable to actual servo motor through servo motor function attach servo1 attach servo pin. Now in loop we need to constantly check value from potentiometer, map it to value for servo motor and apply that value. So first we reading value for from potentiometer is analog pin, so we're going to use analog read. Next is angle for our servo motor. So what these functions does? Potentiometer gives value from 0 to 1023, but servo motor can't use this type of value. It's limited to range from 0 to 180. So we need to map it, and we're using corresponding function. We use value from potentiometer and map value from potentiometer range to value from for servo motor range. And then we need to apply this value. Now we need to apply this value to servo motor, and we use write function and write calculated angle for servo motor. Now we need to attach board to the IDE and upload our script. First we need to verify, and I have missed semicolon symbol for variables. Now everything is okay, and I can upload and can test it. Now, after I have uploaded script to board, I need to add power to Arduino, and as you can see, everything is working. And as you can see, everything is working. Thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial was helpful.